Welcome, humans. Today you are watching a new video with the Valkyrie. So here I am redoing the lines. So actually I lost the middle bit of the video, which showed how I chose the colors and colored the whole piece. So it's from the lines immediately skips to the shadows and highlights, which is not really a big deal because coloring didn't take that long. And the reason why I lost that footage is because I've done this drawing in 3 separate streams. So one of the streams I didn't record. If you look closer, you'll see that the spear is slightly bent, just a little bit. Overall, I really enjoyed this art piece. I've done it before on paper with pencils, and my oh my, you should have seen that original. It looks horrific. First off, she's really thin, like super thin on that other drawing. Slightly looking a little bit retarded, so I had to change quite a lot about her face and stretch her a bit horizontally. So she looks more or less like a human now. She's a Valkyrie, a mystical creature. Yeah, why am I saying that she's a young one? Usually they're having their weapons all in blood and stuff, but I just didn't want to draw blood on there. So I just figured, yeah, she's haven't been yet out. She's a newbie. And yeah, well, look at this pretty face. I didn't expect it to turn out that well, actually, so. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, I am streaming on DLive, dlive.tv/Aramnida. Jump in, do that, we can talk live over there. If you have any questions, feel absolutely free to leave a comment down below. And I hope you'll have a great day. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a comment. And I'll see you next time.